Hey guys, my name is Sid. I'm founding engineer at Supatest AI. Our aim at Supatest AI is to make your test creation and management journey as easy and fluid as possible. Now today we will look at how you can create your first test case in Supatest. So now let's start with the video. We are in the Supatest dashboard and I'm in the test page. I will create a new folder called testing 101. I have created this folder. Now I will create a new test case. I can name it login test. Now by default this folder where I'm creating this test case is selected. We can set the timeout. Right now it is by default it is generally 10 seconds, or your website needs more time to load, etc. Whatever could be the reason, you can increase it. Here you can select the tags. Let's say I want to select sanity. This is a positive test case, so let me select a positive, and then this is the starting step. Now you can either have a starting URL, which is the navigate step, or you can have a snippet is just a reusable bundle of steps. I will use navigate step. Auto healing by default is turned on. We can keep it as it is. Now there are run configurations. These are, if you want to run this test case in different browser environment with different user settings, you can easily do it. Feel free to just tinker around those settings. Now let me click on create. As soon as you click on create, this editor window will open, and it is starting the live browser. As you can see, there are some processes that are happening and it is starting the live browser. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now the live browser has been started, and my first step has been executed. I can just record the test case, how I will interact in this browser, and the test case will be recorded by itself. So let's do it in the recording fashion. As I click on record, the recorder starts. The recorder is active in the live browser. There is some options over here, and let's say I just want to record. You don't have to specifically do anything. You just have to interact how you interact with the browser. It's just live browser in this case, and as you interact, the steps will be recorded. And as you see, these are the steps and they are being enriched with AI. There's a lot of information that we gather. It's just not that click or that particular XPath or locator, but a lot of information about that page context. That's why these red borders with the vertical and horizontal lines are there to better navigate through the page. And let's click on stop. Now you can also add a step from here. Also there's a list of steps that have been supported. Let's say for this testing I want to reload the page. I can just add it over here and I can stop this. So that's it. You have already created a test case. Now this is the test file. Basically you can see the code of it, and if you want to run, you can run this. This will take just a couple of seconds or few seconds to run. It depends upon the number of steps. So it has already been executed, and as you can see, there's a run history for this, and there are some assets to it. There's a video attached for it and some screenshots also. So yeah, that's how you can create a first test case and run it in Supatest. Thank you.